have to pee.
You hold that.
Movies are awesome.
Welcome to Ken Kwando.
And editing them for a living is even more awesome. But you already knew that, because being a film editor is your dream.
It is now my honor to present this year's nominees for achievement in film editing.
But how will you convince a director to let you edit their multi-million-dollar project without showing them examples of your work first?
Books!
What you need to prove is that you can cut movies like these.
Take one, A mark.
Pick from a huge library of unedited, award-winning short films and build your demo reel into something that you're proud of.
Wayne, you're not gonna be assistant for the rest of your life? Come on.
Import the footage exactly the way it came off the set and get real, hands-on, professional editing experience. With EditStock projects, you get all the camera angles, all the takes, and the script or transcript to follow along with as you recut films that played at major film festivals like Tribeca, the New York Times Hot Docs, the LA Short Film Fest, and Fright Fest. EditStock partners with independent filmmakers who are proud to have their footage on your reel. And because the filmmaker receives a portion of every sale as a royalty, your EditStock purchase helps support a community of content creators just like you.
I help you.
So show the world what you can do. And stop waiting for your next big shot. Start creating your own opportunities with EditStock.
Mark.